Today we are going to discuss or solve certain problems using quotient rule. What is meant by product rule? Product rule means the derivative of a product is equal to first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. What is quotient rule? Quotient then under the derivative of a quotient is equal to derivative of u divided by v is equal to denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. If y is equal to x square divided by 2x minus 1, a quotient ആണ്. Numerator also the denominator set. Then find the dy by dx. That means derivative of a quotient. And we have what is derivative of a quotient? Derivative of u divided by v. U of x divided by v of x is equal to denominator chedam into derivative of amsam numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. So again, given y is equal to x square divided by 2x minus 1, which is the numerator. Numerator is x square, denominator is 2x minus 1. Therefore, d divided by dx, dy by dx is equal to derivative of x square divided by 2x minus 1 equal to denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator. Denominator means 2x minus 1 divided by denominator square, 2x minus 1 whole square. Second, denominator into 2x minus 1 into derivative of x square. What is derivative of x square? Derivative of x raised to n is equal to nx raised to n minus 1. Derivative of x square is equal to x minus x square into derivative of 2x minus derivative of 1. Derivative of 2x means 2 into derivative of x. What is 2 into derivative of x? 1 minus derivative of 1 0. And then derivative of 2x minus 1 means 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Divided by denominator 2x minus 1 whole square. Second, denominator derivative of x square minus x square into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. That is equal to 4x square, 2x into 2x, 4x square minus 2x square divided by 2x minus 1 whole square. Okay. That is 4x square minus 2x square is equal to 2x square minus 2x divided by 2x minus 1 whole square. That is dy by dx is equal to, you can take 2x outside, that is 2x into x minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1 whole square. Or derivative of a quotient, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. A property applied to it. ഇതൊന്ന് സേവ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നോട്ടിലേക്ക് മാറുക. ഒന്ന് സേവ് ചെയ്യുക എല്ലാവരും. Consider another problem in the form of quotient rule, or in the form of find the derivative in the form of a quotient. If y is equal to x cube plus 5x square plus 6 divided by 3x square minus 5, find dy by dx. Find the derivative of y, or find the derivative of this quotient. What is quotient rule? Derivative of a quotient is equal to derivative of dy, derivative of y, dy by dx is equal to d divided by dx of y, x cube plus 5x square plus 6 divided by 3x square minus 5. Derivative of d divided by dx of y equal to, what is the numerator? Numerator is equal to x cube plus 5x square plus 6. Denominator is 3x square minus 5. Therefore, derivative of this quotient is equal to denominator, that is 3x square minus 5 into derivative of d divided by dx of numerator x cube plus 5x square plus 6 minus numerator x cube plus 5x square plus 6, numerator x cube plus 5x square plus 6 into derivative of denominator, derivative of 3x square minus 5 divided by denominator square. Denominator 3x square minus 5 as in the square. Okay. That is 3x square minus 5 numerator into derivative of x cube 3x square plus 5 into derivative of x square 5 into 2x. Derivative of 6 is equal to 0. That is 3x square minus 5 into 3x square plus 5 into 2x minus x cube plus 5x square plus 6 into derivative of 3x square. 3 into derivative of x square is equal to 2x minus derivative of 5 is equal to 0. Divided by 3x square minus 5 all square, denominator square. That is 3x square into 3x square. Multiply here. 3x square into 3x square, 9x raised to 4. 3x square into 10x, 5 into 2, then 10 into 3, 13x square into x cube. Minus 5 on multiply here. Minus 5 into 3x square, minus 15x square. Minus 5 into 10x. Minus 5 into 10x means minus 50x. Minus the 6x into x cube, 6x raised to 4. Then 6x into 5x square, 6x into 6 into 5, 30x cube, this minus 30x cube, minus 6x into 6, 36x, minus 36x, minus minus 36x, minus 36x. That is നിങ്ങൾ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുന്നത് മൈനസ് ഓഫ് ദിസ് ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് ഇടണം. ഈ ഒരു ടൈം മാത്രമല്ല നെഗറ്റീവ്. മൈനസ് ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് ഓഫ് ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ ഇൻറ്റു ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് ഓഫ് ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ മൈനസ് ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ ഇൻറ്റു ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് ഓഫ് ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ. ഇത് മൊത്തം ടൈം ബ്രാക്കറ്റിലായിരിക്കും. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഈ ഒരു ടൈം മാത്രം നെഗറ്റീവ് എഴുതി പോകും. പലപ്പോഴും വരുന്ന മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് അതാണ്. മൈനസ് ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ ഇൻറ്റു ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് ഓഫ് ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ അല്ലേ. അന്നേരം 6x ഇൻറ്റു എക്സ് ക്യൂബ് മൈനസ് 6x റേസ് ടു 4. അത് 6x into 5 എന്താണ് 30x cube, അത് മൈനസ്. ഇനി മൈനസ് 6 into 6x മൈനസ് 36x divided by 3x square minus 5 whole square. 3x square minus 5 whole square. That's equal to 9x raised to 4 minus 6x raised to 4. 9 minus 6 means 3x raised to 4. Whatever this 30x cube here minus 30x cube. 30x cube minus 30x cube equals 0. Minus 50x square minus 50x square minus 15x square. പിന്നെ ഇത് minus 50x ഇത് 36x minus 50x minus 36x ആകുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് എന്ത് വരുന്നത് minus 86x minus 86x minus 86x divided by 3x square minus 5 whole square. Second, അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഇതായിരിക്കും. എങ്ങനെ 3x raised to 4 minus 15x square minus 50 minus 36. That is minus 86x divided by 3x square minus 5 whole square. ഇത് ചെയ്യാം. എല്ലാവരും സേവ് ചെയ്യാം. സേവ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നേരത്തെ ഇതായിട്ട് കണ്ടിന്യൂഷൻ ആയിട്ട് നോക്കാം. സേവ് ചെയ്യാം. Consider another problem where the quotient rule is also applicable. If y is equal to 3x square minus 2 into 2x minus 5 divided by 2x cube plus 1, find dy by dx. Okay? Here the numerator is the product of two functions. To find the derivative of numerator, we shall apply product rule. Then the product ആണ്. Hence, to find the derivative of the numerator means find the derivative of a product. There we apply product rule. Then what is the given function? Given function is equal to 3x square minus 2 into 2x minus 5 divided by 2x cube plus 1. This is a quotient. This is numerator, this one is denominator. What is derivative of a quotient? Denominator into 2x cube plus 1 into derivative of numerator 3x square minus 2 into 2x minus 5. 3x square minus 2 into 2x minus 5. Derivative of numerator minus numerator. What is numerator? 3x square minus 2 into 2x minus 5 into derivative of denominator d divided by dx of 2x cube plus 1 divided by denominator square 2x cube plus 1 whole square. 2x cube plus 1 whole square. Second, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. That is 2x cube plus 1 into. To find the derivative of this product, we apply product rule. That means first into derivative of second. 3x square minus 2. First into derivative of second. 2x minus 5. Plus second into 2x minus 5 into derivative of first. 3x square minus 2. Now derivative of this product. First into derivative of second. Plus second into derivative of first. Minus 3x square minus 2 into 2x minus 5 into derivative of 2 into 3x cube. What is 2 into derivative of x cube is equal to 2 into 3x square. Derivative of 1 is equal to 0. That is 2 into 3x square. Divided by denominator square. 2x cube plus 1 whole square. That is 2x cube plus 1 into 3x square minus 2 into derivative of 2x minus 5. Derivative of 2x is equal to 2. Minus 5 derivative is 0. Or derivative of the second term 2x minus 5 is equal to 2. Plus second 2x minus 5 into derivative of 3x square. 3 into derivative of x square, that is 3 into 2x. Derivative of second. Minus 6x square into, multiply 3x square into 2x, 6x cube, more than rx cube. Then 3 into 5, minus 15x square. Minus 2 into 2x, minus 4x. Plus 10, minus into minus plus 10. Divided by denominator square, 2x cube plus 1 whole square. That is 2x cube plus 1 into, and you want to multiply that 6x square minus 4. 6x you want to multiply 6 into 2, 12x square. 6x into minus 5, minus 30x. Derivative of numerator. Minus 6 into 6, 30x square into x cube, x raised to 5. Minus into minus plus 15 into 5, 90 x square into x square, x raised to 4. Minus 24 r into 4, 24 plus 24 x square into x cube. Minus 60 x square divided by denominator square, 2x cube plus 1 whole square. Second, that is 2x cube plus 1 into. Neither than 6x square, but 12x square. 6x square, 12x square, 18x square. Either minus 30x minus 4 into this one. Then 2x cube into 18x square. Then 18 into 2, that is 36x raised to 5. Okay? 6x square into 12x square, 18. 2x cube in 18x square, that is 36x raised to 5. 2x cube into 12x square. 2x cube into minus 30. Minus 30 into 2, minus 60x raised to 4. 2x cube into minus 4, minus 8x cube. That's plus 1 to multiply. Plus 1 into 18x square, that is 18x square. 1 into minus 30x, minus 4. Minus 36x raised to 5, 90x raised to 4, 24x cube, minus 60x square, minus 60x square. 60x square divided by 2x cube plus 1 whole square. That's equal to 36x raised to 5, but then minus 36x raised to 5. 36x raised to 5 minus 36x raised to 5 cancelling. Then minus 60x raised to 4, but then 90x raised to 4. And then 90 minus 60, that is equal to 30x raised to 4. Then what is 8x cube minus 8x cube here, 24x cube. 8x cube minus 8x cube and 24, that is 16x cube. Then 60x square plus 18. 18 minus 16. That's 18x square minus 60x square. The 18x square plus minus 40 minus 16 plus 16 minus 42x square minus 42x square. Second, in your minus 30x, where the x in the table, minus 30x, not 90, minus 30x. Minus 30x. Then minus 4, divided by 2x cube plus 1 plus 1. Derivative, denominator into derivative of numerator. Numerator derivative product apply minus denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. A property. This is multiply the simplification. Save here, save it, don't take one. Quotient rule apply ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള കുറേ കണക്കുകൾ ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തു. 2-3 കണക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിൻ്റെ സെയിം ഇത് ഹോംവർക്ക് ആയിട്ട് ഈ കണക്കുകൾ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. ഫൈൻഡ് dy by dx if ഒന്ന് y equal to 3x square divided by a square minus x square. Denominator, this one numerator. Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. Second one, y is equal to 2x square minus 1 divided by 3x square plus 5x plus 3. This is denominator, numerator, quotient rule. Similar to this problem, y is equal to x cube plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 into x cube minus 1. Here, this problem, the denominator is a product. The denominator is derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator. While taking derivative of denominator, there we apply, you have to apply quotient, sorry, product. This into derivative of this one minus x cube plus 1 into derivative of this denominator. That is first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first divided by denominator square. Second, numerator product, this is denominator product. This is save it, this is complete. Save it, complete.